Hey internet, so here's the code. It is in the pinned comment, so if you actually came for the code, the Python code for the date countdown timer, so how many days till like the specific date, just copy and paste the code from the pinned comment, you're good to go. If you're watching this in the future, then I'm sure there'll be more series of like me just posting random code. It is basically just like a playlist of me just coding. I am doing coding courses, like learning how to code, so those courses told me to put it on GitHub and post it online, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so how does this code work? So if I run it, so it is how many days until this specific date. So you can change the date to whatever you want. What's the significance of this date? For you, it doesn't really matter. For me, it's like a 20th anniversary of gaming. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. Until next time, see ya.